Let's get this crazy recording going. We'll get going with prestige football, guys. We'll crack this open. We'll pick out 4 of them. Which 4 should we do? They're heavy in here, too. Let's go left, middle, or right. Which 4 should we do? The left, the middle, or the right? Which thoughts? Left, middle, or right? Any thoughts? So 1 for the middle. Anybody else? 1 for the left. Looks like we've got the left. So we will do the left. The left is popular tonight. Prestige football, guys. So this will probably be just like most of all of our base stuff. We'll just kind of fly through hitting the highlights. Hitting the highlights. Well, let's see here. Let's see. I don't know how many things are in each one. Got a box topper. I think there's a box topper in each one. Prestige football, guys. Good luck. Your box topper. Is Jadavon Clowney, the Texans. Jadavon Clowney, Houston Texans, and that one is not numbered. Let's see if I've got a. Let's see here. See if one of these cases is big enough. Let's see. Barely. That one's pretty dirty though. Just barely at the very top. Jadavon Clowney, Houston Texans. Prestige football. Let's see here. These are all. Get an auto. We'll start with that. Get a Washington Redskins rookie auto. Get a Leachy C-Struck. C-Struck. Washington Redskins. That is not numbered. You get a prestigious picks of Bishop Sankey. Tennessee Titans. Based off all the rest. Got a prestigious #1, Alex Smith. Going to go to the 49ers. That's where he is at. All base. So we'll hit the better rookies too on there. Probably like that one. That's a red. Alex Smith is a Chief. However, that one he is in a 49ers uniform. This one is a red. It is not numbered, though. Johnny Football. Cleveland Browns. Cleveland Browns. Johnny Manziel. That one is not numbered. I'll base off of that. Got a draft picks of Khalil Mack for the Raiders. It was not. It was not. It just says the Browns. It is an extra point. Extra point is really dark, too. Extra point, Johnny Manziel. That was not numbered. Khalil Mack, the Raiders. Base behind it. Got a road to the NFL, Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. All base. Looks like you get an insert and a rookie in every pack, for the most part. Got a draft picks of Sammy Watkins, Buffalo Bills. All base. Numbers on the front, upper left corner. It just says Browns on it. That's all it says. It just says Browns. And at the bottom, it just says extra points. So there's no number on that one. There's an auto. First, you got a Clowney, prestigious picks. Got a rookie auto, extra point rookie auto going to the Eagles. This one is not numbered either. Not numbered either. Josh Huff, extra point auto, Josh Huff. Base. Got an acetate of Bernard Pollard, Tennessee Titans. All base. And a giant filler. I'll start throwing fillers there. He will. I would think he would be. That'd be my thoughts. Got another extra point. This one not numbered either. Brandon Cooks for the Saints. Brandon Cooks. All base. Got another acetate. Dolphins, Mike Wallace. Mike Wallace for the Dolphins. Base. Got a Houston Texans of Tom Savage. All base. Got another giant filler. There's an extra point. This one is numbered. This one out of 100. Cam Newton. Cam Newton. Carolina Panthers. All base. Got a Jace Amaro for the Jets. Base. Got another auto. First, got a Paul Richardson. Prestigious picks. This one numbered to 100. Number 200. For the Houston Texans, C.J. Fredericks. The Mets in Tier 1 or the Mets in Inception? All base. Got a Calvin Johnson. Fantasy. Base. Got a acetate of Carson Palmer. Inception. The Mets hit a lot in Inception. I'd say the Mets and the Yankees are probably the most that we've hit. Got a draft class 2006. Brandon Marshall going to go to the Broncos since that's what uniform he is in. Brandon Marshall. Base. Got a Zach Mettenberger. Base. Got a Steelers Dry Archer. All base. My guess will probably be 20 minutes. So we'll probably start about 9:45. It should be my guess. On Inception. Got Alex Smith, Kansas City Chiefs, Ass State. Alex Smith. Base. Got a sick patch. Wow, that's pretty. Got a Michael Sam, the Rams. Got a nice logo patch. This one number 200. Number 200. They did a good job with this one. Titans, Bishop Sankey. Part of that Titans logo there. Bishop Sankey for Tennessee Titans, number 200. It's a good patch for being number 200. Bishop Sankey. Base. So I think this guy's going to be pretty good. Aaron Murray, Kansas City Chiefs. All base. Might be biased a little bit. But I think Aaron Murray will be pretty good. Got a Russell Wilson. Draft class 2012. Base. Last pack, box number 1. Got a big board of Sammy Watkins. Sammy Watkins. All base. The patch was Tennessee Titans of Bishop Sankey. Bishop Sankey. Tennessee Titans was our patch. Box 2. And then tomorrow night we'll get back to Bowman stuff. We got regular Bowman baseball, regular Bowman football. Got a Bengals, A.J. McCarron's. So we ship everything. We do not keep anything. We ship it all. For the Bengals, A.J. McCarron's. Dallas Cowboys of Dez Bryant. All base. And they will be at the post office in the morning. Got a Bishop Sankey, Titans. And then we'll randomize this when we get done with everything tonight. When we get done with everything, we'll randomize these. 250 points. All base. So we'll do Inception. Then we'll do Tier 1. And then we'll randomize that point. And if we get any other points. Redskins RG3. Base. Got a extra points of Jerick McKinnon. This one not numbered either. Jerick McKinnon for the let's see here, Minnesota Vikings. Base. That's pretty cool. Got let's see here for the Minnesota Vikings. Guy named Teddy Bridgewater. Draft picks. All base. Got a Bishop Sankey again. All base. It is. It'll probably be around 10. Would be my guess. Maybe a little after. So we've got this. Then we've got Get out of 100 of, let's see here, Timothy Wright for the Bucks. Timothy Wright for the Bucks. All base. Get your first auto. Box number 2. First, get a Paul Richardson Prestigious Base. This one is not numbered. Going the Broncos. Bradley Roby. Denver Broncos base. Bradley Roby. All base. Get a LaShawn McCoy. Eagles. Base. There's a Johnny Manziel. Base for the Browns. Get a Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jags. Got a Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Or the Redskins, excuse me. Deshaun Jackson in an Eagles uniform now. Patriots, Jimmy Garoppolo. Base. Back-to-back. A.J. McCarron draft picks. And an A.J. McCarron base. Got a Paul Richardson. Seahawks. It's not too bad. It's pretty good auto. Got a Carlos Hyde. Prestigious picks for the Niners. We got a Buffalo Bill base auto. Sammy Watkins. Say also we just lost our chat too. Yay. Sammy Watkins, base for the Bills. Good hit for the Bills. Got a Mario Williams in a Houston Texans uniform. Mario Williams. Got another extra point that is not numbered. Kadeem Carey for the Bears. Chicago Bears, Kadeem Carey. Base. Acetate of Jason Witten, Dallas Cowboys. Base. So my chat window still doesn't want to come up. We're going on attempt number 4. Giants, Odell Beckham. Base. Attempt number 5. AJ Green, acetate for the Bengals. Base. Got a Mike Evans. Got a Jeremy Hill. Prestigious picks. You got a 2-colored patch card. Two-colored patch card. That is a prime, but it is not numbered. Of Colts, Dante Moncrief. Dante Moncrief. 2-colored for the Colts. Base. So my gosh, my chat doesn't want to start at all. Got a Patrick Peterson. Base. Ugh. We lost all of our base. Got a Dante Moncrief again. Base. Last pack, box number 2. Got a big board of Aaron Murray. Kansas City Chiefs. Base. Box number 3. 3 of 4. For a reconnect attempt number 10. It's not too bad. Got a draft picks. Named Johnny Manziel jumbo. Johnny Manziel. You're doing pretty good on these. AJ McCarron's, I believe, Johnny Manziel, and Jadeveon Clowney. Got a Charles Sims for the Bucks. Base. Got a Antonio Gates, Chargers. Got a Kadeem Carey, Chicago Bears. Get your jersey card. This one is a base jersey, number 200. Denver Broncos, Cody Latimer. Cody Latimer. Cody Latimer. Denver Broncos, number 200. Base. Got a draft picks, Marquise Lee. So I still don't think my chat's working. Base. Got a Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Base. Big board of Mike Evans. Mike Evans. Base. Got a Devontae Freeman, Atlanta Falcons. Base. Got a Jaguars, Blake Bortles. Base. Got a Teddy Bridgewater, prestigious picks. And you got an Impressions auto /99. First Impressions, number /99. Marquise Lee. Marquise Lee. Number /99 for the Jags. Base. Got a Blake Bortles base. Got a Carson Palmer, Acetate again. Base. Got a Tevin Reese, extra points. Base. Got a Carlos Hyde, 49ers. Base. Get out of 100, Doug Martin for the Bucks. Base. Got a 49ers of Bruce Ellington. You got a rookie auto to the Tampa Bay Bucks. Charles Sims. Tampa Bay Bucks. Charles Sims. Base. Got a base of Teddy Bridgewater. Teddy Bridgewater base. Got a Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jags. Base. Got a Teddy Bridgewater for the Vikings. All base. Got a Devontae Adams. Packers. Base. Got a Nick Foles acetate for the Eagles. Base. Got a on-card auto. Got our first on-card. First Prestige Picks, A.J. McCarron's. Got a big board auto. Pittsburgh Steelers Dry Archer. Dry Archer for the Steelers. Base. Got a number 1 Alex Smith again, 49ers. Alex Smith in a 49ers uniform. Base. Got a extra points, Darquise Dennard. Bengals. Base. Got a Lions of Eric Ebron. Base. Last pack, box number 3. Got a Jimmy Graham for the Saints. Base. Box number 4. Box 4. Got a C-Struck for the Washington Redskins. Late J C-Struck. C-Struck for the Redskins. Got a press plate. We had a press plate this afternoon, too. Buffalo Bills, C.J. Spiller. C.J. Spiller, 1/1 magenta press plate. CJ Spiller, 1/1 magenta press play. We had a press play in our hot rookies today. CJ Spiller for the Bills. All base. Prestigious picks, Tom Savage, Texans. Got a Troy Aikman, Dallas Cowboys. Base. Got a Robert Mathis for the Colts. Base. Big board, Teddy Bridgewater. Again, I think it's the second or third Teddy Bridgewater big board. Got a Allen Robinson for the Jags. Auto number 1. Box 4 is out of 25. We go to the Atlanta Falcons of Rashid Hagman. Rashid Hagman for the Falcons. Number to 25. Base. Got a draft picks of Teddy Bridgewater. Got a Derek Carr, Oakland Raiders. Auto number 2. Going to the New York Jets. Taj Boyd. Taj Boyd, New York Jets. Base. Got a Carson Palmer. Acetate again. Got a Brandon Coleman for the Saints. Brandon Coleman, not numbered. Got a AJ McCarron's draft picks. Base. Lions, Eric Ebron. Base. Got a Mike Evans, big board. Base. Got a Browns, Terrence West. Got auto going to the Ravens. Baltimore Ravens, Michael Campanaro. Michael Campanaro. Baltimore Ravens. Base. Buffalo Bills, EJ Manuel. Acetate. Base. Got a Mike Evans for the Bucks. Got a Bears, Alshon Jeffrey. Base. Got a Steelers, Stephen Tuitt. Stephen Tuitt for the Steelers. Got a Tennessee Titans, Bernard Pollard. Captain's acetate. Arizona Cardinals, Logan Thomas. Base. Got a Seahawks of Marshawn Lynch. Base. Got a Kansas City Chiefs, Aaron Murray. Then we got a 2-colored patch, number 2/100. They did a good job with getting decent looking patches in here. Number 2/100 for the Bucks, Charles Sims, 2-colored patch. Charles Sims, 2-colored patch, number 2/100. Base. Got a draft picks, Johnny Manziel for the Browns. Base. Last pack. Then we'll work on Inception Baseball. Got a Patrick Peterson, Arizona Cardinals. Base. Finishing Prestige Football.